This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a USB device to your Motorola phone so you can transfer files or pictures or videos. And this is called an OTG adapter. So I got this from Samsung when I got the phone, but you can pick this up from Walmart for like 20-25 bucks, or you can find them for like $5 on Amazon. So this will take a USB end from like your connected USB drive. You can just plug it in. And then it's got USB-C on the bottom. And then you can just plug it into the bottom of your phone. If it's got USB, it should connect just like this. And then once we have it connected, we have to locate it on our phone so we can transfer files from the device or to the device. So swipe on down from the top, and you might be able to see it connected right here. So I can see it. We can just go to it and select it. And then we can just open this up. So let's go to just once. And we can see all the different files on here. Now you can also get here from going from the bottom up and just go to search and look for files or something called My Files. And then when we click on files, we want to go all the way down to all storage and then go to USB device right here and select it. Now this is my USB device, so you can see I got like a bunch of different folders on here. Here's my PS5 stuff, pictures, etc. So we can go to my PS5 folders and we can look in here and see if there's anything. But if you want to transfer over pictures, just locate the pictures. Here's Share Factory. So what we could do is just hold down on the entire thing, the folder, and go to the top and go to Move To. And then we can move it to the internal storage, SD card, or back to a different folder on our USB device. So that is how you can move things from your USB device to your phone. Now, if you want to do it from your phone to the USB device, go to the internal storage right here, and then locate your folder under here where you store everything. Like DCIM is going to be your pictures. And then you can go to the camera option right here, and you can hold down this, and you can just transfer the entire folder over, which works a lot easier, and then select the individual stuff, or go to select all. Go and move to, and move it to your USB device. So very easy to move things around. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.